Of course, I look at yung mga botched hair transplants, especially a lot of before and after pictures, and pinapakita dun yung what should not happen. A lot of specialists are already like talking about it. As the technology evolves, I see na yung parang DHI na it has the least occurrence of scars, and parang very natural yung results. So from a medical and technical aspect, because we're not dealing with a big scar compared to previous techniques, so it's not as invasive, the recovery is much faster. Very natural yung results. I knew that the quality of service will be top-notch already. It's not as simple as just getting the grafts, so it was nice to appreciate the art behind it, and it's not just pure skill or technique. So if you're thinking about it, get a consultation and see if you're a good candidate.